Machiegni kendo, bad migao mar thieth e sirikand kaonti ma Busia oketo okenge ma neno ni apisas mag thieth omi puonj moromo e wi midhiero mar Fistule ma neno ni oduok piny kwan mar joma mine mayude. Kuonde chung'o buche moyudie chandruogegi gin kaka mago ma Samia kod Bunyala, ka thieth manono sani dhi nyime osiptal maduong' ma Busia kokalo kuom riwruog kaonti ma Busia, lakteche kod kambi ma Safaricom. Jatend migao mar thieth e kaonti ma Busia, Arthur Odera, owacho ni dhi medi odiechieng' moko mondo mi chenro ma kamago dhi nyaka juma achiel ka gigeto timo thieth ma kamano ne ji mohewo 100. Gie sani joma mine maromo 60 osewuok oko mar yudo thieth mar Fistule. Apisa maduong' e kambi ma Safaricom, Joseph Ogutu, owacho ni siling milion 200 oket tenge ne chenro no.
To witness what's going on here, which is a repair of fistula patients. We have talked to women who have had the condition. One has said she's had it for 24 years. And today she will get help. She will go home a new person. Her dignity will be restored.
This camp is part of a series of camps that we will be hosting across the country to mark M-Pesa Foundation 15 years since inception. In this particular year, the M-Pesa Foundation has put aside 100 million shillings to make sure that over this 1 year, we'll be able to host the fistula camps that will provide service to more than 700 women across the different counties where there is need.
We are very grateful, and especially to the women, our mothers, our sisters, who have come forward to get this treatment. I urge all who have this condition to please come forward. As the governor has said, this is one of the rare counties where we have surgeons who can do this surgery. And you have been welcomed here, even after this camp.